My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Hey, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, and follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so you're gonna have to excuse my voice and how I look. I am in pain, and two, I am under the weather. So like I said, I am in pain because I just started training. I'm trying to get in shape. No, I'm not trying to get summer body right. I'm just trying to get right. I don't care what season it is. So I just got my trainer, and it's not that he kicked my ass yesterday. I got my trainer yesterday. He kicked my ass, but it's not even because he kicked my ass. It's because my body's so used to not working out that I am in so much pain right now. So I worked out only for 40 minutes with him. I went home, I did my exercise bike, and I did a boxing class. So my sides are hurting, like my ribs are hurting, and my legs are hurting, which I am happy about because those are the areas that I do want to work on. I want to lose I got a little belly. I want to lose my belly, get a little six pack, and I kind of want to work on my legs. I don't want to be heavy up top. You feel me? And you feel me. So enough talking. Oh, and I'm under the weather. It's just California weather been so up and down. One day it's cold, one day it's hot. It's just been crazy. So sorry about I wanted to share that, but a little bit talking. Anyway, give you an early review. This sneaker drops. I actually don't know when the sneaker drops. I can tell you right now, I'm not going to get this shoe. I just wanted to give you an early review. I have a shoe that is so similar to this, and I will show you that once I get back to the house. But I'm not getting the shoe. like it's a guarantee I'm not going to get the shoe. But I want to give you an early review. So stay tuned for that. I'll be back after the review, give y'all some information about it, like retail price, all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Be right back. Okay, as you can see, we got this old school type box. I like when they do the boxes like this, like it's kind of like faded or like, just old. It aged. That's the word, age. We say that's on the side. Nike right here on the top. Got the old school orange bottom, how the old Nike box used to be. Description: this is a size 9 Air Jordan 1 retro. I can't even make out these letters. Oh, powder blue. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, powder blue. No, but you know what it is. You can read it. Anyway, all right, let's get the shoes on out of here. Let's open this up for you. Regular tissue paper. Boom, you can see a little bit right there. A little preview of it. But let me just set this up so you can really see it. Put this back on top. All right, there we go. Set this up right here. And without further ado, hold on, let me put this right there. Boom. All right, we got the Air Jordan 1 High OG UNC Reimagined. Alright, boom. Okay, so we got the Air Jordan 1 High OG UNC Reimagined. I know that was a long name, but it's another entry into the Reimagined series that Jordan Brand's been putting out. You see with like Reimagined remakes of original shoes. These are the UNCs with that powder blue going all around it, but you see the cracked leather right there around the ankle collar. Does come with 2 sets of laces, white pair and UNC blue pair right there. You see that? What do you think about the Reimagined series? They had the patent levers, the patent breads, I think it was called, the Reimagined 4s. I think the one that flopped the most was the Air Jordan 1, the Royals. They was horrible. You can get them on sale for like $80 now. So, this probably be a thumbnail right here. I don't really got too much to say. You see the color, UNC blue. That midsole is that off-white type color. So I like the bottom though. I like this like blue. Like I like that. I just like, I can't explain it, but I like how it look. But I'm gonna give you all some real information. Let's go back to the house so I can give you all some proper information, like release date and stuff like that. But I think this is a dope shoe. I'm still not gonna get it, but I'll tell you why when I get home. Okay, we back at the spot. It is actually hours later. I got so busy after I did the review. I want to go get something to eat, and then I like I told y'all earlier in the beginning of the video, I've been working out, so I had to go do a boxing class, and I had to do my 20-minute bike ride like I always do, and I knocked out. It is now 11 o'clock. Like, it is 11 o'clock p.m. So like, I'm just now, I thought about it as I was going through. I woke up, I was going through my photo album, deleting like some old stuff to make some storage room, and I saw that I had the videos from earlier. I was like, oh crap, I didn't even finish the video. So I'm doing this right now. I'm not gonna post it tonight. It's probably gonna be posted tomorrow. I don't know. But I'm back. Let me give y'all some information like I always do. Yeah, this is gonna be off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It's gonna be up. You can read along with me. Should be up right now. Should be up right now on the screen. Oh, excuse my appearance too. Like I said, I came home and went to sleep. All I did was just throw a hat on just so I could do the video. All right. Air Jordan 1 High OG UNC Reimagined releases May 2025. The Air Jordan 1 High OG UNC Reimagined set to drop in summer 2025. This release promises to blend the beloved elements of the original 1985 release with a fresh twist, giving it the reimagined treatment that has become synonymous with innovative design. Let me close this ad. They always got ad. All right. Featuring a dark powder blue and sail, this Air Jordan 1 retains the iconic color blocking fans love. The shoe has a white base highlighted by powder blue overlays, reflecting the University of North Carolina's colors and paying homage to Michael Jordan's alma mater. Again, besides the me being late with this second part of the video, or third part of the video, I guess it would be third part because it's the ending. I apologize for how I sound. I told y'all in the beginning of the video I'm sick, so my nose kind of stuffy. The upcoming Air Jordan 1 UNC Reimagined takes inspiration from the popular Lost and Found release. This version showcases a vintage feel with cracked leather overlays and an aged midsole. Staying true to its roots, the sneaker keeps the iconic University of North Carolina color scheme that has become a staple in sneaker collectors around the world. The retro style continues with the packaging. The pair arrives in a distressed orange box with black and red lid, mimicking something you might discover tucked away in an old attic. Remember I said that? It's like an age look to it. And there go another ad. Excuse me about that. The mismatched box lid adds to the nostalgia vibe, making it feel like a forgotten treasure. This packaging concept flips the colors from the original Lost and Found release, offering a fresh take with reverse color placement. Set to release May the 10th. Oh, so that's like in 2 weeks. The Air Jordan 1 High OG UNC Reimagined will be available at selected Jordan Brand retailers, both in store and online, including Nike.com. The retail price is $180. There we go. So set for May 10th. Retail price is $180. There go some more pictures. If you want to see some more pictures, take this ad off again. I hate that the ads keep on popping up. There we go. And I'm not gonna lie, the more I look at it, the more it kind of grows on me. But I'm still more than not, I'm more likely not to get this shoe. I just don't need it. As you can see, all those empty cases right there. If you look back at my old videos, my room was just full with sneakers and whatever. But that whole row, you can't see the one down there, but that whole row up the ceiling is empty. And it's one shoe. You see it right there? It's one shoe right there. And that's only, you see it? That's what I'm pointing at. It's one shoe in that whole row. And that's the Air Jordan 4 SB Navy. And I did not do a review for that. Wow, I just realized I did not do a review for that. I'm not gonna do a review for it. I might do one tomorrow, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm probably not gonna do a review for it. But the SB Navy 4s or whatever like that. Yeah, and they just came in the mail like 2 days ago. So I just been so busy with work and trying to get this gym right. I apologize if I'm falling behind on my reviews. I've actually been falling behind on my IG posting too. The shoes that I get, I usually post on IG too. So, but remember I told you it was a reason why I'm probably not gonna get that shoe, and then we gonna close out the video with this. It's because of this right here. Shout out to Very Cool Brand. This is not a plug because they do not pay me for anything. But shout out to Very Cool Brand. You know when you on IG or Facebook or whatever like that, you see like clothing line like or a shoe brand, something like that. It's like not fakes, but like they got their own spin-off, but they are kind of mimicking like stuff that's already out. That's how Very Cool Brand is. The reason why I'm more likely not getting is because why when I have these? It is exactly the same shoe, except for it's not Jordan. This is Very Cool Brand logo. You know, another one of the logos. But this is that. Oh, and this one got the stars on the toe cap. But does it come with 2 sets of laces? It does. White. I'm not getting the UNCs. No, I'm not getting. I'm just no. I have this. That would be such a waste of money. And I haven't wore this. And I haven't wore these. It'd be such a waste of money. So yeah. This is why I'm not getting it. Remember, I told y'all the reason. Shout out to the Very Cool Brand, and it's basically the same shoe. So anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below if this is a cop or drop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka Figure Sneakerhead, representing Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.